Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you this LED strip lighting from Dollarama. Now it's from Extreme Tech, which is mostly a Dollarama brand from what I've saw. Just cruising around the shelves and saw this one. Thought I'd check it out. It says 3-foot multicolor LED strip with adhesive backing. It's got 16 color options, comes with a remote to control it. It says sticks almost anywhere. In the back of the box it says all that same stuff plus USB powered and controlled with included remote, 3-foot water and dust resistant light strip with adhesive backing. Choose between 16 colors, flashing, strobe, fade, and smooth. Perfect for behind your TV, in the car, or in the bedroom. Alright, let's get into it, see if we can make it work. Now this was $4. It's not going to break the bank. Looks like everything is in this package here. It has a remote, has a light strip with what looks like a non-removable cord. There's the extra length of USB cable you get. It's supposed to be 3 feet. Comes with the instructions and what the buttons are on the remote control. Says to stick it to the back of the TV. I'll put a picture of the instructions up in case you lose yours and you purchase this at the end of the video. So, let's see if we can get it to light up. You turn it on and instantly it starts into a flashing through the colors mode. Take the remote out here. Take the battery disconnect out of there. Well, looks like to use on and off. Starts to work about here. And it'll pretty much work all the way to the end of it. And we'll just straight red, green, blue, then you have different shades of red. That's supposed to be yellow, looks pretty green to me. There's green, it's supposed to be a lighter green, looks kind of blue. It's supposed to be light blue. Dark blue. There's your purple. Lighter purple. That's supposed to be pink. Go into flash. Just flashes the colors through. Looks like your 3 main ones. Strobe. There's a nice slow strobe into different colors. I kind of like that. There's fade. Very similar. Kind of like that too. And here's smooth. I don't think that looks very smooth. Has a W for white. And with the white, it is still fairly colored. It has got the green, the red, and the blue LED lit up inside. And now, color adjustment. I'm gonna go red here. Doesn't seem to be going brighter or dimmer that I can tell in this lighting. Alright, let's see what they look like with the lights off. Okay, I'll just cycle through the colors fast again. We'll go through the shades, see if there's any difference. So that right there is supposed to be yellow. To me it looks pretty green. That's your green. Lighter green. So I'd say some of the shades are definitely off a bit on the remote. No big deal for $4. Seems pretty bright, not bad. Try it again here with the brightness adjustment. Oh, there we go. So that's all the way down. And that looks like all the way up. So it does work. It's just in the light, the bright light, I couldn't tell it was actually going up or down. I had to hold the button. Seems to work better than just pushing it. And it takes some time to actually work and go down. So there's the blue as about as low as it'll go. And there's the blue as about as high as it go. So I'm going to try and set this up on my TV and see what it looks like. Well, it's set up on the TV. I don't think I'll stick it to it yet. But I'll just try and put it back there. Maybe hold it up with some tape for now because I don't know if I'm going to keep it like that. But we'll see what kind of effect we get on the wall when I put it on the TV. And there's the white. I don't think I showed that. So I don't know if you can tell in the camera. Try and hold it up there. I don't know if you can see those red, green, and blue lights kind of showing through. But it's somewhat trying to make a white color. Okay, so this is the kind of ambient glow that you can expect from these bulbs. This LED strip, which I think is pretty decent. The strip was a little bit short, so that I couldn't get it to run the full length of the top of the TV. But it's still lighting up the full length of the TV. It's about a foot short. So I'm guessing this TV is about 4 feet long. I couldn't get the remote to work from the front of the TV. It would kind of work intermittently, but it was not constant. So you have to reach behind the TV or just point the remote behind the TV, and then you can shut them off or change colors. For $4, I think it's a pretty decent strip. I can't tell you how the sticky part of it works. I just have it stuck to the back of the TV right now with 2 pieces of electrical tape. So I'm guessing whatever sticky strip they have on the back there would be more than adequate to stick it to anything that you want to do, as long as it didn't get wet. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and have a great day.